Yo, what's up everybody? It's Jalil and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the steps to become a software engineer. Whether you're completely new to coding or just looking to level up your skills, stick around because I'm going to give you the rundown of what you need to know. We're talking about the skills to master, the education path you might consider, and how to get that real-world experience to stand out from the crowd. This is a career path that's always evolving, so getting started on the right foot is key. Let's dive in and break it all down. First things first, you've got to learn how to code, right? It seems obvious, but we're talking about building a foundation here. Think of it like this. You don't start building a house from the roof down. You need that solid base. Now, when it comes to languages, there are a ton of options out there, but for beginners, Python and JavaScript are great places to start. They're super versatile and in demand, plus there are tons of resources available online to help you learn. Don't get too caught up in picking the perfect language, though. The key here is to grasp the fundamentals of programming logic, understanding things like variables, data structures, control flow, and functions. These are the building blocks, the DNA of any good software. All right, so you've got the coding basics down. Now let's talk education. The traditional route is a 4-year degree in computer science. This gives you a super comprehensive understanding of computer science, principles, algorithms, data structures, all that good stuff. But we live in a world with options. Coding bootcamps have exploded in popularity, and for good reason. These are intensive, immersive programs that focus on teaching you practical coding skills, often for specific career paths like web development or data science. They're typically shorter and can get you job ready faster than a traditional degree. So which path is right for you? It depends on your learning style, your budget, and your timeline. A CS degree gives you that deep dive, while bootcamps offer a faster track. Chapter 3, show them what you got, building a portfolio. Look, anyone can say they know how to code, but in the software world, you've got to show, not just tell. That's where your portfolio comes in. Think of it like your highlight reel. You want to showcase your skills and the awesome projects you've built. Start with personal projects. Could be anything from a simple to-do list app to a more complex game. The key is to apply what you've learned and get creative. Platforms like GitHub are your best friend here. It's like a social network for coders where you can store your projects, collaborate with others, and show potential employers what you're made of. A strong portfolio makes a huge difference when you're applying for jobs. It proves you can walk the walk and actually build things. Chapter 4, level up, gaining real-world experience. Okay, you've got the skills, the education, the portfolio. Now it's time to get your hands dirty with some real-world experience. Internships are the gold standard here. It's a chance to work on real projects, learn from experienced engineers, and get a taste of what it's like to be part of a dev team. Don't be afraid to start small. Even entry-level positions can teach you a ton and give you valuable experience to put on your resume. The key is to be proactive. Network, attend industry events, reach out to people on LinkedIn. You'd be surprised how many doors can open just by putting yourself out there. Remember, every line of code you write, every project you contribute to is adding to your experience point. Chapter 5, never stop learning. The tech world moves fast. Here's the thing about the tech world, it never sits still. New languages, frameworks, and technologies are popping up all the time. What you know today might be outdated tomorrow. That's why the most successful software engineers are lifelong learners. Make it a habit to stay updated on the latest trends. Subscribe to industry blogs, follow influential developers on social media, attend conferences, and never be afraid to experiment with new tools and technologies. The learning curve never really ends, but that's part of what makes this field so exciting. There's always something new to discover, always a new challenge to tackle. Your software engineering journey starts now, so there you have it, your roadmap to becoming a software engineer. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be persistent, and never stop learning. The tech world is waiting for you. Now go out there and build something amazing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and guides. Let me know down in the comments what kind of projects you're working on or what challenges you're facing on your coding journey. Until next time, keep those keyboards clicking. Peace.